stocks our strategists feel are poised to deliver positive returns are featured now in their top stock picks of the week.
You're going to hear about a couple of retail stocks that are shareholder friendly from our strategists, Nina Mishra, who's right here with me at the desk, and Brian Boland, who joins us remotely. Nina, we'll start with you. You're looking at Target.
Yes. So, Americans are spending more thanks to booming economy and tax cut and tightening labor markets and also rising stock markets. Of course, if you see, more money in your stock portfolio,
You've got more to spend, don't you?
Yes, you tend to spend more. And especially retailers like Walmart, Target, Home Depot that invested a lot in their e-commerce operations over the past few years to deal with the rising challenges from Amazon. They are reporting much better results now because, of course, online sales are rising faster than in-store sales. So Target reported its second quarter results recently, and these were their best quarterly results in over a decade.
Wow.
They beat both on the top and bottom lines, also raised their guidance, and their digital sales surged 41% during the quarter. So these results were thanks to, in addition to investing in their e-commerce operation, other steps they took recently over the past couple years, in fact, like they remodeled their stores, they introduced these smaller store format in urban areas and college towns. They invested a lot in their supply chain operations and also introduced one-day delivery options.
And it all paid off.
That all is paying off, and that all was seen in their excellent results. And as you can see, if you go to the quote page and look at detailed estimates, you see that analysts have been raising their estimates for Target after these much better than expected results. And another thing I like about Target is that they have been returning a lot of cash to shareholders in the form of dividends and share buybacks. In fact, they raised their dividend in June, and their current dividend yield is pretty attractive. It is almost 3%, as you can see. And if you look at the stock rank, it's number 2 buy rank stock. And they look very good in terms of style scores as well. A for value, A for growth, VGMA.
Yeah.
And the industry rank is in the top 13% as of now. So there are a lot of things that are looking
good about it.
looking good for the stock. I think it's worth a look.
Okay. Brian, your stock is a real Lulu.
It's a real Lulu, and it's not a lemon either.
That's right.
But it is Lululemon Athletica Incorporated, and LULU is the ticker. There's Lululemon. It is a Zacks rank number 3 in a hold. Something you don't always see from me. I like to focus on 1s and 2s, and I like to see A's for growth and F's for value. I've got a C and an F here, so a little bit out of the normal wheelhouse. But keep in mind, this stock is reporting on August 30th after the close. You can see that right there, and that is only 2 days away. We have a positive earnings ESP. So 1.5%. So things looking good into the report. If we take a look at the detailed estimates page, we can see that earnings estimates have been trickling higher here for the current quarter. So the Zacks number is moved up from 45 cents to 49 cents. And, the other thing that I want to express to you guys here is, and let me get rid of that arrow, is that there has been a lot of positive estimate revisions for this year, for next year, for this quarter, for next quarter, and we can see only a couple negative estimate revisions. So it makes me wonder why this is a Zacks rank number 3. Maybe we need to reset the algorithm there. But things look generally good for them. If we take a look at the chart here, we can see that it's really been a great story here for the last little while. We had a big beat here, the most recent beat, and that was a 20% positive earnings surprise. The big story on that one was it was a new bra, And, it's kind of crazy to think that one new product can really drive things higher. But over the last couple weeks, we've seen the stock move from 120 to 140 here in quick succession here. I like the story here. I was in a Lululemon Athletica store not too long ago. I got a pair of shorts, and it's crazy to think that a pair of shorts costs $70 now, but they're very nice. And that drove me to go to an outlet store, Terry. And the outlet store was like a jailbreak in there. There had to be almost 100 people in a 1,500 square foot place, and there was madness. There was 4 people working the register and a line to check out. You had to wait 20 minutes in line to check out.
That's crazy.
So exactly, it was beyond anything I've ever seen. I'm not a big shopper. I don't go to the mall that much, but I've never seen anything like that. Granted, it was the outlet, so that might hurt the mix of ASPs, average selling prices, but have to be bullish on Lululemon here, even ahead of the earnings.
Okay. Do either of you own either of these?
I do not.
Brian?
I do not either.
Okay. Well, thank you both for that. Don't forget, more stock information is always available to you on our website, Zacks.com. Get over to the homepage and start looking through it. It's up there 24/7 for you. With Nina and Brian, I'm Terry Ruffalo.